Think about the most annoying part of your day. Ketchup packets that explode everywhere, trying to slice bread and ruining it. Paying crazy money for a tiny hotel room. Now imagine all of that. Just gone. Not better. Not fixed a little. Completely gone. With ideas so simple, you'll wonder why nobody thought of them sooner. That's what Japan does. They look at stuff we complain about and actually fix it. Today we're counting down 10 genius Japanese ideas that are just next level. Stick around for number 1 because it's a sleep technology that's about to disrupt the entire hotel industry and it costs less than dinner. Let's get into it. Number 10. Street legal go-karts. Picture this. You're dressed as Mario. You're 6 inches off the ground in a street legal go-kart, and you're merging into Tokyo traffic at 40 miles per hour, next to taxis, next to buses. In real traffic, this isn't a theme park. This is real life. And it's completely legal. Here's how it works. You show up with an international driver's permit. Pick a costume. Then a tour guide leads your group through Tokyo. Shibuya Crossing. Tokyo Tower. Neon streets everywhere. The carts go 50 miles per hour max. They're super low to the ground. Every bump feels huge. No seatbelt, no airbag, just you and the road. Now think about that. Most cities would never allow this. Too dangerous. Too much risk. But Japan said, what if we just let people have fun? The company was called Mari Car until Nintendo sued them. They had to change the name to Street Cart, but the experience stayed exactly the same. It costs $55 to $75. Peak season? Books out a week ahead. Western cities make you look at landmarks through a bus window. Japan lets you race through them at 50 miles per hour. It sounds crazy until you see it actually works. Number 9. One-hand sauce packets. You know how ketchup packets in America are a total mess? You rip them with your teeth. Ketchup goes everywhere. Your fries look like a crime scene. And somehow, sauce ends up on your phone. Japan looked at that and said no thanks. Their solution? Packets you squeeze with one hand, no ripping, no mess, perfect pressure every single time. Some even have 2 sides, ketchup and mustard together. Both come out at once in equal amounts. Here's how it works. You press the packet, it opens clean, squeezes exactly where you want it. 3 seconds, done. Zero mess. But here's the crazy part. An American actually invented this 30 years ago. Japan, Australia, and New Zealand started using it right away. America never switched. The tech exists. We just ignored it. While we're still fighting exploding packets, Japan solved this decades ago. One hand, no mess. Why don't we have this? Number 8. Double-sided fridge. Your fridge is against the wall. The door swings the wrong way. Every time you grab milk, it's this awkward reach. Left-handed? Even worse. Japan's fix is almost too simple. One door. Opens left or right. Pull left and the right side locks. Pull right and the left side locks. No tools needed. Switch whenever you want. You move to a new place. The kitchen is totally different. Normally you deal with the wrong door swing forever, or spend $2,000 on a new fridge. With this, just pull from the other side, done in 2 seconds. This was made for left-handed people and tiny Japanese kitchens. But really, it's about being flexible. Rearrange your whole kitchen without buying new stuff. Western fridges have opened one way for over 100 years. Japan asked the obvious question. But why? 2 directions. One fridge. Total flexibility. Number 7. Portable blender bottle. You want a fresh smoothie on the go? Your options? Buy a $7 mystery drink. Carry a huge blender to work. Or give up and drink coffee. Japan said there's a better way. A blender bottle the size of a normal water bottle. Charges with USB. Crushes ice. Blends frozen fruit. 2-hour charge. Fits in your bag. Best part? It cleans itself. Add water and soap. Hit the button. Clean in 40 seconds. No taking it apart. No scrubbing. Just rinse. You're at the gym. Throw in a banana, berries, and ice. Press the button. 40 seconds later, fresh smoothie. Rinse in the sink. You're done. But wait. Some Japanese vending machines now blend fresh orange juice inside the peel. Zero waste. Maximum fresh. We argue about spending $400 on giant blenders. Japan made it portable and wireless for under $50. Small bottle, big brain move. Number 6. Perfect bread slicer. You bake bread at home. Smells amazing. You're proud. Then you try to slice it. Looks like a kid attacked it with scissors. Uneven chunks, squished bread, crumbs everywhere. Japan's solution? A slicer with adjustable guides, 1 to 3 centimeters thick. Angled platform, protective hood, crumb catcher. The angled design is key. You cut on a slant. Keeps the bread stable, no squishing. Pick thick for toast, thin for sandwiches. Run your knife through the slot. Every slice comes out identical, like from a bakery. Except you made it. Japan invented home bread machines back in 1986. Bread baking is huge there, so they made a $30 tool to get perfect slices. Oh, and the hood? It converts into a bread box when you're done. We just accepted buying pre-sliced bread because cutting it's a mess. Japan said, or we could just fix it. Perfect slices, zero chaos, finally. If you're enjoying this so far, go ahead and tap like. It tells YouTube you want more of Japan's clever everyday innovations. And if you love discovering things you didn't even know existed, hit subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this list. Trust me, the next ones are even cooler. Number 5. Secret bus seats. Buses and trains are either too crowded or wasting space. Wheelchair users can't find spots. Parents with strollers block the aisle. Rush hour, forget finding anywhere to sit or stand. Japan's fix is smart. Fold up seats, flip down for elderly or disabled people. Fold flat against the wall for wheelchair space. Same spot. 2 uses. But here's the cool part. Japan just approved full flat beds for overnight buses. Your seat turns into an actual bed. You lie flat while the bus drives all night. Arrive rested. Cost? 1/3 of a train ticket. Overnight bus from Tokyo to Osaka. Instead of sleeping sitting up and waking up with a destroyed neck, you're in a bed. Approved with special seatbelts and foot plates for safety. Western buses make you choose comfort or access. Japan built both into the same space. More room, more options, same bus. Number 4. Luxury salon sink. You go to a salon. They wash your hair in a basic sink. Handheld sprayer. Your neck's at a weird angle. Water temp keeps changing. It works. But relaxing? Not really. Japan created something called the Yum system. Motorized chairs that recline perfectly. Water temp that never changes. Flowing water features. Gel-filled neck pillows. You lean back. Chair goes to the perfect angle. Warm water flows over your head. Not spraying. Flowing. Like a gentle stream. Your neck sits in a gel pillow. 20 minutes later, you're not just clean. You're relaxed. And this changes things. Japanese salons charge $35 to $100 for this. It's not about washing hair. It's about wellness, stress relief, healthy scalp. Western salons treat hair washing like a chore. Japan turned it into something people actually want. Not just a wash, a reset for your whole day. Number 3. Eatable water pods. Plastic bottles are everywhere. Oceans full of them. Landfills packed. Recycling barely works. And we keep buying more. Because what else can we do? Japan's answer? Ooh-ho. Edible water pods made from seaweed. Holds water in a jelly shell. Bite into it like a grape. Then eat the shell or toss it. Gone in weeks. The proof? 36,000 of these replaced plastic bottles at the London Marathon in 2019. The science is called spherification. Same thing that makes boba tea pearls. You're running a race. Hit a water stop. Someone hands you a bubble instead of a bottle. Pop it in your mouth. instant water. The bottle? You just ate it. Or drop it. Disappears in 3 weeks. But wait. Now they use this for energy gels, sauces, takeout packaging. We've tried recycling our way out of plastic for decades. Japan said, what if packaging just vanished after you use it? Drink it. Eat it. Forget it. Number 2. Edible coffee cups. Coffee cups. Billions tossed every year. Most so-called recyclable cups have plastic inside. Makes them unrecyclable. Compostable cups only break down in special places most cities don't have. Japan's solution? Edible cups made like waffle cones. Cookie material. Holds hot coffee without getting soggy. Lasts 30 to 40 minutes. When you finish, eat the cup. Zero waste. The secret is a food-safe coating inside. Stops it from getting soggy but keeps it solid. Flavors? Chocolate, vanilla, matcha, plain. Depends on the cafe. You order coffee, comes in what looks like an ice cream cone shaped like a cup. You drink slow. Cup stays solid the whole time. When you're done, you bite into it. Tastes like a cookie. No lid in the trash, no cup in the dump, just gone. We spent billions making better recycling. Japan made the cup stop existing after you use it. Drink it, eat it, done. Number 1. Brain tracking sleep pods. Hotel rooms in big cities cost $200+ per night for a tiny box with a bed that might be clean. Budget hostels are cheap, but loud and uncomfortable, like sleeping in a dorm room. No good middle option. Japan's solution? High-tech sleep pods, AI tracking, climate control, you adjust yourself, custom lighting, total privacy, $40 to $70 a night. But here's the wild part. Some track your brain waves, heart rate, and how you move to make your sleep better. You check into one in Tokyo. Pods the size of a single bed. USB ports, climate control down to the exact temp you want, sliding privacy door, blackout curtains, screen showing your sleep stats in real time. You fall asleep. Pod tracks everything. Sleep cycles, heart rate, movement, stress. Morning comes. You get a full report. 7.4 hours. 22% deep sleep. Low stress. All for $40. Uses brain sensors, cameras, microphones, movement trackers. One company plans to collect sleep data from 10 million people by 2027. Americans pay $200+ for old hotels with nothing special. Japan turned sleep into actual science, made it cheaper, and it's opening in Western cities right now. New York, Vancouver, London, Sydney. North America is growing fastest. This is number 1 because it's not flashy. It's quietly game-changing. It shows everything we talked about. Taking something we just accept, expensive, wasteful hotels, and rethinking it completely with smart design and tech. Less space. More tech. Better sleep. Costs less than your ride to the airport. If you want to keep discovering the smartest ideas Japan has to offer, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the next video on your screen. It's loaded with even more jaw-dropping ideas you won't believe exist.